Hello friends, welcome to truthscorner.com videos. Top 10 Best Skin Nourishing Foods. A large number of people invest a great deal of money for beautification. That's why skin treatment, cosmetic surgery, spa, beauty salon, etc. have become very popular in today's modern city lives. Most of the people feel anxious about their external beauty. But they don't know that the secret weapon of glamorous skin is hidden inside the healthy foods. These top 10 best foods are essential for nourishing the skin. Dark chocolate. As dark chocolate is a great source of potent antioxidants named flavonols, it is good to nourish your skin. Skin gets proper hydration due to the presence of cocoa. Caffeine in dark chocolate helps to prevent puffins of the skin. Pomegranate. Due to amazing antioxidants like polyphenols, pomegranates are considered as the best skin nourishing food item. The antioxidant combats free radicals which are mainly responsible for forming wrinkles. Pepper. Carotenoid is an excellent antioxidant that is effective in preventing fine lines and crow's feet around the eyes. Skin gets protected from the sun by consuming adequate amount of a variety of peppers. Each colored pepper carries separate skin nourishing properties. Kidney beans. Most of the time, skin infection is caused by deficiency of zinc. Kidney beans contain sufficient amount of zinc to accelerate the healing process. So, a 4-ounce consumption of kidney beans on regular basis helps to get rid of acne and blemishes. Cucumber. Cucumber can be applied externally or consumed for providing sufficient nourishment to the skin. As it contains no calories, it flushes out toxins and is considered as one of the best foods for skin nourishment. Garlic. Allicin is a main component that is capable of fighting against the existing bacteria and virus and increases the immunity power of the body. To retard the process of aging, start consuming garlic immediately on a regular basis. Oatmeal. Oatmeal has most moisturizing components and soothing action to make the skin blemish free. It is an ideal food item for treating eczema, inflammation, and infection of the skin. Honey. Due to its potent anti-inflammatory properties, honey is counted as an excellent food which provides nourishment to the skin. The natural humectant properties keep the skin moisturized and help in retaining it. Green tea. Green tea is used as a healthy drink particularly for the skin due to the adequate amount of antioxidants. Skin damaging free radicals are eliminated by consuming sufficient quantity of green tea. It is also slows down aging process and prevents psoriasis, rosacea, acne, pimples, and many other skin disorders. Spinach. As spinach is full of vitamin A, B, C, and E, along with omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, iron, calcium, and potassium, it is an effective food beneficial for skin nourishment. Vitamin A in spinach helps to protect the skin cells from damage. Dry skin problems can be eradicated due to the presence of beta-carotene in it. All these amazing properties shield the skin from sunburn due to the impact of ultraviolet rays. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.